What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Mazda CX-5, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote fob battery. Okay, so if we look at this, there's two sides, one side with an emblem, one side without. We're going to take off this side without first, even though the battery is located on this side. Okay, so to get this side off first, we're going to use this button that's at the bottom of the remote right here, and we're going to slide it down, and that will unlock this back panel. So it's unlocked now. You get a little screwdriver, put it in the corner and pull it off. Here's your emergency key that opens the driver's door. And if we look on the back panel, there's a little diagram of the emergency key. This just shows you how this goes back on. Okay, so when we go to put it back on, remember that. Now what we're going to do at the top of the remote, this chrome piece comes off. It just pops off. Once you pop it off, it allows you to get to these slots right here. Let you take this off. Get a flathead screwdriver, stick it in here, and just pry till you get it to pop off. Okay. Now here's the battery cover, and it actually has the size of the battery imprinted on it right here. It's going to be a CR2032. Just take this off. We're going to go right here with the flathead screwdriver, just pry it up, and we just take it off like that. All right. Here's our battery. There's a slot right here just for the screwdriver. Push it in there and then pry the battery right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing up. This is a Panasonic battery. These are great batteries, and I'm going to have a link down in the description box below. It takes you to Amazon where you can get some more Panasonic batteries. Okay, so check that out if you need one. But it goes in the bottom first of the remote. We're going to call this the bottom because it has the the slot for your key ring. Push it on. You get the cover. It goes in the bottom first in this little slot right here. And then you push it on and you hear it kind of click. And we get the back cover. Okay, and we know it's the back cover because it has the emblem and it has this foot hanging off of it right here that goes in this hole right here. Okay, there's only one way to put this on, and it should click. Okay, and then we get the top chrome cover, and there's some slots right here for these little feet that are hanging off right here. Make sure you have that right, and it just pushes on. Just like that, a little click. And we get our cover, line it up like the diagram says. Push it on, it should click and pop right on there. No problem, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.